Residents who've suffered flood damage to their homes are being granted immediate access to disaster relief payments. The Prime Minister has activated the Australian Disaster Payment for 18 local government areas. Eligible New South Wales residents could receive a one-off $1,000 payment for adults and $400 for children.
There are a series of local government areas that we have declared that are now eligible for those payments. And if you live in one of those areas, 1802266 is the number that you call to have access to those payments. It can be processed over the phone. You just need to provide your details and explain your circumstances to them, and we can arrange those payments to you as quickly as possible.